The ACT Building and Construction Industry Training Fund Authority collects and redistributes the levy from building works to fund industry training in the ACT. The Training Fund Authority provides funding for apprentices, school-based apprentice programs and existing worker training. Funding is provided to employers of apprentices in relevant areas of the industry. Each year, the Training Fund Authority identifies, with industry, trades where skill shortages exist for additional funding. In 2008, they are plastering, solid, plastering, wall and ceiling lining and wall and floor tiling. Funding is provided to ACT schools and colleges to provide construction training for school-based apprentices, while existing worker training ensures that the industry keeps up to date on emerging technologies through contemporary and relevant training courses. The Training Fund Authority works in partnership with registered training organisations under its Research and Development program to develop courses for which industry has identified a need. Each year, the Training Fund Authority develops its training plan. Industry stakeholders are invited to contribute to the training plan to help identify priority areas under the authority's 5 funding programs. Since its establishment in 1999, the Training Fund Authority has distributed over $13 million to the industry, and in 2007 alone, it distributed $3 million. The Training Fund Authority is committed to assisting the industry to address skill shortages and its training needs. The Training Fund Authority strives to improve the culture, level and access to training and to support the entry of new people into all areas of the ACT's building and construction industry.